Hey everybody, this is Joe Bovino from Bovino Law Group, clearing a path to your American dream. How you doing? I wanted to shoot this video mainly for my friends in Canada, but if you're from some other country, pay attention. The reason I'm interested in Canada is that right now, as I speak, Canada is experiencing martial law. It's awful. And my Canadian friends have been going through a lot even before that with lockdowns and all sorts of restrictions. And I'm getting contacted by a lot of people in Canada. I'm here in Florida looking for a way out. And a lot of you Canadians and a lot of you from other countries don't know that there is a business visa that you can get, an investor visa, for between $100,000 and $200,000 investment. It can be more, but that's the general range where you can come and live and work in the United States. It's called the E2 Treaty Visa or E2 Investor Visa. It's a great visa. So if you're an entrepreneur in Canada, you're doing okay, you want to come down here, live, work, bring your family, it's not going to cost you $1 million. You don't have to throw $1 million at that. Okay, that's what people think, because there is another visa that I'm not going to get into where the investment's typically around $1 million or more. I'm talking about 100,000, 200,000, more if you want, but that, 100,000 is sort of the bottom of the range there. By the way, as an aside, that number is not in the law. What they're looking for is a substantial investment in a US business that you will come here and direct and manage and grow, okay? But in practice, it tends to be at least 100,000 of legitimate business expenses in your new enterprise. It has to be something that you're actively engaged in. We're not talking about a passive investment in real estate or stocks. That's not going to work. We're talking about a real business that you come here and manage, okay? What kind of business? Anything you want, really, as long as it's going to work. A lot of my clients do something similar to what they've done in other countries. They just come here and do it. That's perfectly fine. So lots of options. It's a great visa. And I'm thinking of my friends in Canada because it's a way out of there if you're ready to get out. And I will tell you that I'm sitting here in Miami, Florida. Florida, we've been open. This is a free place. This is a free state. The United States, in terms of what's going on in my country, this is one of the freest places in the country and really the world. And we're doing just fine, okay? Open for business, open for life. If you're from Canada, I know you're used to the cold and you don't complain about it, but the weather's pretty warm here. So it might be a nice change for you. You don't have to come to Florida, but I'm just saying it's one place you can go. Really, you can go anywhere you want with this visa. We specialize in it here. We work with entrepreneurs from all over the world who want to have a life in the United States. And this is, in my opinion, it's, unless you're willing to spend millions of dollars, this is the best way to go. I don't have time to get into all the details, and I don't want to do that here in a video, but you can contact me, schedule a consultation, email me directly, joe@bovinolawgroup.com, WhatsApp me. I don't care, get in touch and we can talk about your specific circumstances. You can bring your spouse can work on an E2 visa. Your kids under 21 can come and go to school. It's just a great visa. So, I should say, usually you get 5 years when you come in with a 5-year visa. You can renew it really for the life of your business, potentially for a lifetime. As long as your business is running and operating and doing well, just keep renewing it. There are other opportunities to convert it into something else, but let's save that for another day. I do want to mention, because I think you should have the full picture, there's another visa, if you're Canadian, that is available to those of you who don't have $100,000 or $200,000 to invest, aren't interested in being an entrepreneur, but would still like to come and live and work in the United States. It's called the TN visa. And that's a visa where you get a job for an American company and you're basically an employee. And you have to fit one of the professions that are described in the law for the TN visa. It's a pretty long list though. And as long as you fit there and you can get a job offer, maybe the TN visa is for you. And you know, it's a pretty simple process. We focus here at Bovino Law Group mainly on the E2 visa because it's a much more complex process and there's a lot more money involved. But the TN, it's pretty simple. So if that's for you, look at the TN. Otherwise, the clients that we deal with here are entrepreneurs, want to do their thing, want to take advantage of the free market. The United States market is still great and want to be free. This is a great place to be. Plus, if you're interested in Florida, I can tell you, I love it here. It's a great place. Either way, contact me wherever you want to go in the country. This is a federal matter. I can help you any place you want to go in the United States. Contact me and we'll discuss the specifics. That's it for now. Have a wonderful day, my friends in Canada. God bless you. Good luck up there. I hope it gets better. I really do. It's disgraceful what I see right now, but that's, anyway, I'll let you go. Take care and contact me if you would like our assistance. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.